Discover elevated living at Chelsea Park Place, where comfort meets convenience. Right at the ground level, you'll find La Tapisserie and Zeus Coffee. Perfect for your daily coffee fix and favorite food cravings just steps away from home. As you enter the building, you're welcomed by a beautifully designed receiving area with a spacious reception. Here at Chelsea Park Place, you can also stay active anytime with access to a fully equipped gym, designed for your convenience and healthy lifestyle. And as you can see in the sample room, the unit is simple yet thoughtfully designed, very spacious, comfortable, and beautifully finished. Chelsea Park Place isn't just a place to stay, it's a place to live, relax, and enjoy every day.